Welcome to the Organizational Management video tutorial. In this tutorial, we discuss about the concept of organizations, why we need organizations, and the benefits of forming organizations. According to the definition of Buchanan and Husinski, we can identify the organizations as the social arrangements for the controlled performance of collective goals. You will notice few key phrases here, namely social arrangements, controlled performance, and collective goals. Now, let's discuss these phrases in detail, which will help you to understand the concept of organizations better, and you will find it easier to remember the definition when you know more about what each phrase means. As mentioned before, there are three phases included in the definition of what is an organization. The first one is collective goals. These are very important to bring the parties who form the organization together and also to keep the organization carrying out its activities. Once the participants of the organization are clear about what they are supposed to achieve collectively, they will use them as a guidance for their actions. For example, the businesses have collective goals of making profits, while most of the governmental organizations are working on providing public welfare. In the meantime, most of the non-governmental organizations working in the development sector are concerned about impacting the society positively. Secondly, we can see the phrase social arrangements. This means the organizations are collectives of people. However, remember, every collective of people will not become an organization. Because there is a need to fulfill the other two factors mentioned in this slide as well. Lastly, you can see the phrase controlled performance. This is where the organizations are controlling their performance or the activities that they carry out in order to ensure the stated objectives or the common goals above are met. For example, a business entity will be working to maximize the profit. Hence, it will be controlling the cost by minimizing the cost, and it will be controlling the revenues by attempting to maximize it. Taking above three phrases into consideration, you should remember that an organization will be successfully formed if all the above three factors are fulfilled. So why should people form organizations? This is because there are clear advantages of forming organizations. Few of them are outlined in this slide. Mainly, the organizations will allow people to achieve things that they can't achieve alone. It's because not everyone can do everything in this world. Therefore, the organizations are formed to share skills and knowledge. Different individuals will take up different roles within the organization and carry out activities to achieve the common goals of the organization. Since organizations enable people to do what they are best at, it will result in specialization. It results in better efficiency as well as quality. Another benefit is the ability to use the limited resources, time and money. When there are people who have smaller amounts of money, they can't form a larger organization alone. But when people come together and work as an organization, they will pool the funds and purchase machinery, raw material, etc. in order to produce the goods and services that they are intending to produce. This is the end of the first section about organizations under the subject of organizational management. Please view our next video about how organizations are categorized based on different criteria.